Hey guys, so we just got this cable ran.
The
Fish tape actually. We just got the fish tape ran. It goes into that access hole right there and down into the where the anchor goes, the bow thruster, and then it comes out here in that compartment there. There is a conduit about yay big. I'd say about 3 inches. Um, and that's the difference between having a nicely built boat and one that was just slapped on together. It makes everything much easier, and this is a great example of a well-built boat. Okay, so yeah, we got that fish tape ran in less than 5 minutes. Makes things very easy for us. So this is what we have so far. There's an LBP battery, a lithium battery power battery, and it's wired with a onboard charger and a charger for AC power. So it's powered with a on-the-go charger for DC to DC and an AC to DC charger. And we have our wire running here that goes to the trolling motor. So that's what it looks like. Pretty simple. And I'll show you guys what the rest of the wiring looks like. This is our battery switch right here. So here we have our trolling motor onboard charger. We have our here we have our on-the-go charger, and then we have our additional charger for when the boat is just stored. The black one, this one is the on-the-go charger, so it recharges when the boat's running. And then we have our outlet, which is used to charge it. We have our 60 amp breaker right here to protect the system, and if anything were to happen, it'll trip. And yeah, that's about it. We're wired to the starting battery for this battery charger. It charges from the engine, so yep, we'll double check that everything is charging and working, but it looks good. So this trolling motors installation was definitely a success. As you can see, everything worked out perfectly fine during the calibration. It took the calibration, and then we showed the customer how to use it, how to store it safely, how to deploy it. And overall, I would say this was definitely an awesome install. I would definitely recommend a Garmin Kraken to anybody looking to get a trolling motor.
Okay. And this goes like this. Okay. It just seems more practical having it the other way because it's always gonna swing this way.